You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation if you want to learn more confusing names, including Romanian names. Make sure to stay tuned. He was the mayor of Bucharest if you want to learn how to say this correctly. Also stay tuned. Now, he just been elected Nicușor as a president of Romania. Nicușor Dan in English, therefore the pronunciation, how to pronounce Nicușor Dan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.